Now, today, everyone, we have two extraordinary students on this stage. We have Subodh and Vedika. And we'll see between these two extraordinary students who is the best speaker. So first, there is a translation round in which you have to translate the sentences that we are asking. Okay, and we'll see how you are going to translate. Then later on, there would be a debate and discussion.
Yes.
So are you ready to translate?
Yes.
Have this mic. Are you able to communicate in English confidently?
Yes.
Okay, first we'll see how confident you are at translation.
Yes.
Okay, उस लड़के को बुलाओ जो बाहर बैठा हुआ
All the boy who's sitting outside.
सर मैं उस लड़के के बारे में कुछ नहीं जानता जिसके बारे में आप बात कर
Sir,
रहे
I
हैं.
don't know the boy about whom you're talking about.
I don't
About
know.
whom you're talking.
I don't know about the boy about whom you're talking. क्या आप उस लड़के के बारे में जानते हो जिसके पापा इंडियन आर्मी में
Do
हैं?
you know about the boy whose father is in Indian Army?
मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं है आप
I
किसके बारे में
don't
बात कर
have
रहे
any
हैं.
idea about whom you're talking.
आप कहाँ रहते हो?
Where do you live?
मैं वहीं रहता हूँ जहाँ आप रहते हो.
I live the same place where you live.
I live the same place where you live. आपको पता है मैं कहाँ रहता
Do
हूँ?
you know where I live?
मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं
I
आप
have
कहाँ
no idea where
रहते
you
हो. आप
live.
कैसे कह सकते हो कि आप उस जगह के बारे में कैसे बता सकते हो जहाँ मैं रहता हूँ?
How you can tell about the place where I live?
मुझे उस प्लेस के बारे में कोई आइडिया
I
नहीं है.
have no idea about this. about
मुझे नहीं
that
पता वो
place.
क्या बोल रहा है.
I don't know what he's speaking.
मुझे नहीं पता वो क्या कहाँ जा
I
रहा
don't know
है.
where he's going.
जाओ जहाँ आप जाना
Go where
चाहते
you
हो.
want to go.
ओके, लिखो जो आप लिखना
Write
चाहते
what you want to write.
हो. ओके, लिखने की कोशिश करो.
Try to write.
बोलने की कोशिश
Try
करो.
to speak.
मैं बोला करता था.
I used to
मैं
speak.
लिखा करता
I used to
था.
write.
मुझे पढ़ाने का मौका दो.
Give me a chance to teach.
Give me chance to teach. ओके, मुझे वहाँ जाने का मौका
Give me a chance to
दो.
go
आप क्या
there.
चाहते हो?
What do you want?
आपने क्या किया?
What did you do?
आप क्या बोलोगे?
What will you speak?
What will you speak? आप कैसे बोल सकते हो?
How can you speak?
क्या आप उतना कॉन्फिडेंटली बोल सकते हो
Can you
जितना मैं
speak
बोल
so
रहा हूँ?
so confidently as I am speaking?
Can you speak as confidently as I am speaking? मैं उतना कॉन्फिडेंटली नहीं बोल सकता जितना कॉन्फिडेंटली आप बोल
I
रहे हो
cannot
क्योंकि आप मुझसे
speak.
ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंट हो.
I cannot speak so confidently as you are speaking because you are more confident than me.
You are more confident than I am. बार बार बोलो.
Speak again and again.
उतना ही बोलो जितना मैं पूछ रहा हूँ.
Speak as much as I am asking.
आप मुझसे ज़्यादा पूछ रहे हो.
You are asking more.
You are asking more to me. मुझे बोलने का मौका दो.
Give me a chance to
मैं बोल
speak.
रहा हूँ.
I'm right.
मैं बोलूँगा.
I'm speaking.
आप
I will
कहाँ थे?
speak. Where were
आप क्या
you?
चाहते हो?
What do you want?
आपने क्या किया?
What did you do?
आप क्या कर
What
सकते हो?
can you do?
क्या आप जानते हो वो कौन है और कहाँ जा रहा
He
है?
and where he's going.
मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं वो
I
कहाँ
have
जा
no
रहा
idea
है.
where
मुझे
he's
बोलने दो.
going.
मुझे
Let me
सोचने
speak,
दो.
let me
मुझे
think.
सोचने का मौका दो.
Give me a chance to think.
Give me chance to think. मैं नहीं बोलना
I
चाहता.
don't
मैं
want
वहाँ
to
नहीं
think.
जाऊँगा.
I will not
मैं
go
इंग्लिश
there.
सीखना
I
चाहता
wanna
हूँ.
learn
आप इंग्लिश क्यों सीखना चाहते हो?
Why do you want to learn English?
Why do you want to learn English? मैं इंग्लिश सीखना चाहता हूँ क्योंकि मुझे इंग्लिश सीखना
I
पसंद
want to
है.
learn English because I like to learn English.
ओके, मैं स्टेज पर आऊँगा.
I will come on the
मैं
stage.
आपकी मदद करूँगा.
I will help you.
मैं आपकी मदद नहीं कर
I
सकता.
will not- I
मैं
can't
चाहता
help
हूँ
you.
कि आप बोलें.
I want you to speak.
मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप वहाँ
I want
जाए.
you to go there.
अब आप क्यों जाना
Why
चाहते
do you
हो?
want
अब
to
आप
go
कैसे
there? How
जाओगे?
will you
आपने
go
क्या
there?
किया?
What did
आप
you
क्या
do?
कर सकते
What
हो?
can you do?
आपके पास क्या
What
है?
do you have?
What do you have? Wow, that's great. Let's see. Wow. So मेरा नाम वैदिका है और मैं खंडवा से हूँ.
My name is Vedika and I'm from Khandwa.
मुझे इंग्लिश नहीं आती.
I don't know English.
मुझे इंग्लिश आती है.
I know English.
मुझे इंग्लिश के बारे में कुछ नहीं पता इसीलिए तो पर्सोना मैंने ज्वाइन किया है.
I don't know anything about English. That's why I've joined Persona.
आप पर्सोना में कितने दिन कंप्लीट कर चुकी हो?
How many days have you completed in Persona?
मुझे याद नहीं मैं कितने दिन कंप्लीट कर चुकी है बट मुझे लगता है मैंने 2 महीने कंप्लीट कर लिए हैं.
I don't remember how many days I've completed, but I think I've completed 2 months.
मुझे बोलने का एक मौका दो और मैं साबित कर दूंगी कि मैं एक अच्छी स्पीकर हूँ.
Give me a chance to speak and I'll prove that I'm a good speaker.
ओके, अगर आपको साबित करना है कि आप अच्छे स्पीकर है तो आप स्टेज पर आइए.
If you want to prove yourself a good speaker, then come on the stage.
आप जब स्टेज पर आओगे तब आपको पता चलेगा कि स्टेज पर आकर कैसा फील होता है.
When you come on the stage, then you feel that how it feels.
Then you will come to know. तब आपको पता
Then you'll
चलेगा
come to know how you feel
on
by
the stage.
coming on the stage.
Then you come to know how you feel by coming on the stage. बार बार स्टेज पर आओ.
Come on the stage again and again.
जब तक आप स्टेज पर नहीं आओगे आप कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं बन सकते.
Until and unless you come on the stage, you cannot be confident.
You cannot be confident. मैं कॉन्फिडेंट हूँ.
I'm confident.
मुझे यकीन है मैं कॉन्फिडेंटली बोल रही हूँ.
I am.
I believe I am speaking confidently.
Yes, sir. I believe I am speaking confidently.
मैं उतना ही कॉन्फिडेंटली बोल रही हूँ जितना सुबोध ने बोला.
I am speaking as confidently as both speak.
सुबोध did.
Yes,
मैंने
as
सुबोध से ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंटली बोला.
I spoke more confidently than Subodh.
I spoke more confidently than Subodh did. बार बार बोलो.
Speak again
पढ़ाओ.
and again. Teach,
सुनो. पढ़ाना
listen,
बंद करो.
stop
वहाँ मत
teaching,
जाओ.
don't
आप कहाँ
go
थे?
there. Where
आप क्या
were you?
चाहते हो?
What do you
आपके
want?
पास क्या है?
What do you have?
What do you have? मेरे पास टाइम है अपने आप को इम्प्रूव करने की.
I have time to improve myself.
मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप अपने आप को इम्प्रूव करें.
I want you to improve
मैं
yourself.
चाहता हूँ आप वहाँ जाए और उसकी मदद करें.
I want you to go there and help him.
सर मैं वहाँ नहीं जा सकती क्योंकि मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है.
Sir, I cannot go there because I don't have time.
मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है वहाँ जाने के लिए.
I don't have time to go there.
आप क्या कर रहे हो?
What are you
आप क्या
doing?
करते हो?
What do
आप
you
क्या
do?
कर सकते हो?
What can you
आपने
do?
क्या किया?
What did you do?
What did you do? मैंने कुछ नहीं किया.
I didn't do anything.
I didn't do anything. मैं सब कुछ बोल सकता हूँ.
I can speak everything.
मैं सब कुछ पढ़ा सकता हूँ.
I can teach everything.
आप क्या पढ़ा रहे हो?
What are you
आपने क्या
teaching?
पढ़ाया?
What did you
आप क्या
teach?
पढ़ा सकते हो?
What can you teach?
What can you teach? मैं सब कुछ पढ़ा सकता हूँ.
I can teach everything.
मैं कुछ नहीं पढ़ा सकता.
I cannot teach everything.
Okay, wow, that's great. Good job. Clapping for both. So finally, the time has come to debate. This is your, and now Subodh, just attach it over here. So now the time has come to debate. We have two extraordinary students standing on the stage. One is Subodh, and the other one is Vedika, and we'll see how they are going to debate. And I'm going to give them very interesting and very controversial topic to speak. And the topic is, which is better to have, time or money? See, we have seen many people, they have a lot of time, but they always long and strive for money. They want money because they believe time without money is useless. On the other hand, some people, they have a lot of wealth, they are very wealthy, but they are longing for time. So let's see how you guys are going to decode this particular myth, that which is better to have, time or money. Vedika, what do you support? Time. And you are in favor of money?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's see. Everyone, let's see the debate. You can start.
I feel that it is rightly said that time cannot buy money. Or matlab money cannot buy time, because time is something, if once gone, never comes back.
But I think just look at the situation in India. We have so many people who have a lot of time, who have their whole life, but they don't have money. And I think time without money is just useless. You cannot do anything right now.
But for the jobless people, Indian government is also creating jobs for them to be employed.
Yet just look at the condition of India. We have so many people who are not who have their whole life, but they don't do anything because of poverty. They don't have money to do anything. They even starve because of a lack of money.
I am agree with you, but what I feel is, for that Indian government is also creating some like jobs and all, so them for 100 days of jobs, like there are so many things
Our
like
government has
Manrega and all.
implemented so many
And
schemes.
also if we talk about the population, most of the population is employed, so we cannot accept this point.
But we have to look for everybody, right? We cannot say that those people who are employed, they are happy. Still they like everybody has time, but why everybody is running for money? Because right now what we can see is we cannot do anything without money. So I think money is the most important.
Time is precious, because if we see a person dying, what he or she will ask for, they don't want money, they want time, they want some more time to live, to enjoy. I mean, if a person is spending his whole life to earn money, what he enjoyed in his life, I mean, there's nothing, and the time has come for him to be died. So what we will want, he wants some time to enjoy now, because he doesn't have any time.
He wants some time, but just tell me, without money, what you will do? You cannot do anything right now. In this world, you can do nothing without money.
I believe in you, but I don't feel that so many people doesn't have enough even money. They have enough money to spend, but what they don't have, they just keep on continuously wasting
Just
their
look
time.
at the poverty rate in India. There are millions of people who are suffering from poverty. They don't have enough money to even eat, but they have a whole life. They can't do anything. They are just sitting beside across the roads, and their life is just a living hell. So I believe that money is most important right now.
But how? I mean, they can appeal for jobs, they can earn money, but what if their time goes?
See, they
like
can
on?
appeal, but look at the current condition.
Yeah.
People are appealing for
I don't
job.
feel the current condition is so in the poverty. I mean, the current condition is good. I mean,
There are millions of people who are suffering from poverty
don't
right
feel
now. They
that.
don't have money.
I
You
don't
just
feel
go
that.
in the city only.
Because
in the center of
nowadays
the
I
city,
feel
there are so many beggars.
in the modern world, many of the peoples have jobs and they are employed. So I don't feel there is such a lack of money as for
Yet they
earlier.
long for money.
I mean, India is improving, and the peoples are getting employed more and more, because they're creating jobs for them.
People
the
are
government is
getting
also
employed.
creating jobs.
See, people are getting employed, yet they wait. People are getting job, they are getting employed, but even then also they long for money because everybody wants more money, everybody wants more lavish life.
Yeah, so that is the willpower.
So that can be earned with
for
money
them
only.
To work. That is the willpower of them to work. But what if they lose their time? It will not come back. If they lose their money, they can be gained again.
See, just look at the average ratio of life. It's, I think, above 50 only. So I think most of the people have enough time to live their life.
Okay. But nowadays the ratio is just keep on falling.
Keep on falling, yet it is above 50 only in India, I think.
So what do you feel? The time.
People have time to live, I think. But if
the
they
life
don't have money, they cannot
expectancy
do
should be
anything.
More, no?
Huh?
The life expectancy should be more because it's keep on falling and
And
falling.
that can be increased with money only. You can buy healthcare with money only.
No, if your health is such bad, you cannot even buy them. Buy your health with money.
See,
because
you must
I
have
can
a-
give you example like Michael Jackson. He was such a wealthy person, but he couldn't stop himself from dying. Why? Because
See, that's the truth of
he
life.
could not buy his health from
That's
his
the
money.
truth of life.
But
you cannot prevent your
that's
death.
what you just said now.
You cannot
no?
prevent your death.
You can, that's what you said. You can
No
buy
power in
health
this
with your
world
money.
can prevent death, but no matter how many years you live, if you are living, I think you should live a good life, and that can only be earned with money.
No, I don't feel so because if you live more, you connect more, and I mean, there's enough money to the peoples to just live their life properly. But what if they don't have time? What will they do of that such large amount of money? They don't have to use it. They don't have time to use it.
But how they get so much money?
Because they earn more. They keep on spending their time and earning.
So the core principle for earning money is because they want to live a good life, and that can be only lived
But
with
when
money.
when will they live good life? I mean, if they have money, but they just keep on spending, they just keep on earning more and more money. But you cannot expect when you will die. So you should live your
I think
life.
everybody has enough years to live, I think.
I don't feel there are so many people
There
who
are
are
only
just,
few deaths that
who are
happen
just
with the-
dying at the age of 19, 18, and even
There are just few deaths.
newly born persons
See,
are dying.
there are just few deaths. You cannot say that in a country of 1.4 billion people, some will die because that's
Don't
I
you
think
believe
exception.
that the
But
death-
most of the people are still suffering from poverty and they need money. They have a lot of time. They need money to live properly.
Don't
They are
you
starving
believe
from
that
food.
the
They don't
death
have
rate
house.
is been more in India as compared to earlier? Because that rate is something like the people are dying more and more in nowadays world, and the lack of some.
Okay,
like,
you are talking
good
about the
food and
death rate.
all.
Just tell me, how can you improve how can you decrease the death rate?
We cannot
By
but-
providing a better healthcare, by providing better food to people, and how you can provide that with money only. There is no other option to provide better healthcare.
How does the people get more money? Like government is charging such a tax that they're 30% or something of
With
their
that tax only
salary.
the people who
Yeah,
comes
but
below
where is
poverty line are surviving.
where is that taxation money going? They are not even improving the country. Where is
That's
it
the
going?
problem of our political
Yeah,
system.
that is the problem of a government.
I think you're going out of the context. That's the problem of
Okay. Now give me the mic. So the topic when it comes to discuss between money, between time and money. So what we find that this is the never-ending topic. This topic has no end. You can keep discussing for hours, but still you will find somehow that these points are still missing. So let's see what audience think that between Vedika and Subodh, who has spoken well, because in my point of view I would say both have spoken extremely great, but now the Janta and Janardhan has to select who has spoken well. So are you guys ready to select? Yes. So loudly, are you ready? Yes.